Hey everybody, I've got the box here from Expressions Vinyl. We are going to be revealing new patterns today that I designed. Welcome to Daily Dose of DIY. My name is Chris, if you don't know me, and I have teamed up with Expressions Vinyl. So this is where you can find these patterns at expressionsvinyl.com. And I want to know, before we get started, we're going to jump right into it. I'm not going to make you wait too long, but I want to know if you've ever worked with patterned vinyl before, what you like to make with it, what are your struggles with patterned vinyl. I'm going to go over some tips and stuff today for working with patterned vinyl, but we're not going to get into the nitty gritty how to do everything. We're just going to reveal the patterns and give you some tips. And then I have some live videos scheduled throughout this week and next week where we'll actually do projects together so you can do all of the learning. Okay, it looks like I'm live. I just had to check a second. I didn't have any buttons showing up. It always blinks right at me when I'm live and it wasn't doing that, but it is now. Hi, Donna. Hi, Doris. Welcome, guys. Then I lost my train of thought. So this is only available for 2 weeks. It's a limited time deal. You'll still be able to get some the third week. I'm kind of fuzzy on those details, but from what I understand, the third week they'll be selling out all that they have printed already. So I have my favorites and I have my ideas on which one's going to sell out first. You'll have to let me know which one's your favorites and what you think will go first, if they'll be available on that third week or not. And again, hi Francis, let me know if you've ever worked with patterned vinyl before and what your struggles are and favorite things to make. I have a few projects done. I'm going to get that out of the way so we can see that I'm going to show you, and then later in the week we'll be doing even more. So we're going to start with fall. And the first one in the fall is called Pumpkin Madness. Look down there. They even have my name on there. Isn't that cool? So this is great in all the fall colors. I asked my email list, if you're on my email, what are some patterns you would like to see? Like what's not out there yet? And 3 things came through more than any, and that was retro, boho, and like a grunge farmhouse type stuff. So I went with a boho color palette for these, and I had quite a few people say pumpkins. So this is called Pumpkin Madness. You can get these in adhesive or heat transfer vinyl. This is the adhesive sheet. And then next we have Fall Plaid. Plaid is like the official color of fall, isn't it? It doesn't matter what colors they are, but you've got to have plaid. So this was also requested, and I knew we had to have plaid with fall. Good afternoon, Linda. This is one of my favorites. It is fall, but it is also could be used every day, and it's brushed dots. I'm going to try to get it up there close for you. The dots are actually brushed on to give like another layer of texture to the patterns. And then this one is also multi-use. This is brushed stripes, and it's called Boho Stripes. It can be used every day. It also matches one of my Christmas patterns. So this is an important one to get. I'm going to show you the 4 fall all together and how well they coordinate. So we have the boho stripes, the brushed dots, the fall plaid, and then the pumpkins. And for adhesive vinyl, I like to use it on projects as a background. Here is one of them I did. So I got these at Hobby Lobby, the little acorn nuts. And I just put the brushed dots and the fall plaid as a background. And then the wording is this is nut brown. This is a good color that matches all the fall patterns by Oracle 651. You can also find that at Expressions Vinyl. And then beige in Oracle 651. So those are good colors to get to match for fall or any of your fall projects. These Acorns at Hobby Lobby, they were like $2 each. I bought 2 of them and I glued them together to make like a door hanger, or you could even hang this on a wall wherever you want to hang it. So like for less than $8, we got this amazing, cute little hanger. So that's one thing I like to do. Here is also got this at Hobby Lobby. I had to take a Hobby Lobby shopping trip, y'all. They have these mini cutting boards. It's about the size of my hand. These were also only $2. So if you haven't been to Hobby Lobby there in a while, go get all the wood cutouts because they have some amazing deals. This is Expressions Vinyl Glitter Cinnamon. And I did not order enough of that because it matches a lot of these patterns well. I'm trying to get the glitter in there. It is pretty amazing. I love it. I used it on another project too. I think I'll show you one of the Christmas first, and then I'll show you the other project I did with adhesive vinyl. So this is grunge dots. So polka dots again in a boho color palette. And then you can see like the grunge marks where they're whited out over the top of it to give a little bit more texture to that pattern. And that matches the stripes. So the stripes will go with fall or this Christmas pattern too. And I will show you how I use them with the Christmas. Now I'm going to give you a little tip. I did this side in fall. It was only $2 for this thing. Also decorate the back side for Christmas. You get more bang for your buck. So this is the grunge dots with the boho stripes. And then you can just flip your bow around. I didn't do a very good bow, but actually I just tied a knot, but that's okay. And then you can just flip it around, or you can put something more Christmassy on for this side, and then you display your Christmas. Let's see. Reminds me of Star Wars colors. I know I watched Star Wars as a kid, but I haven't seen it in so long. I'm not sure. I'll have to take your word for that. So I got this at Hobby Lobby also. It's supposed to be this way. You can kind of see I did the front and back. So the front, this was also only like $4. The front I did in fall, again with the cinnamon glitter for my letters. And then the back, I used the Christmas patterns to spell Noel. Flip my L around. And still with the cinnamon glitter, it is a good match for the Christmas too. It's a nice like brown red glitter. I love it. It's beautiful. And for the heat transfer, all these are also available in heat transfer vinyl, and you may have spied that I saw, or I also used these same patterns to make a fall shirt. It says Fall Vibes, and doing shirts is one of the things we're going to do live in the next coming weeks. And all the SVGs, that's what I'm trying to get out of my brain. I made a lot of SVGs to go with these patterns too, different shirts for fall and Christmas and different signs. So I'll be releasing all those SVGs for free for you also. So when you do patterns and letters, you want to stick with, camera's backwards, I keep putting my wrong fingers. You want to stick with chunky fonts so you can really see the pattern in there. And then to make them stand out even more, you can do an outline. I did my outline in black, and then of course I put vibes in black also. So I will, if you would like to learn that, to show you how that you can outline and layer in both adhesive and heat transfer vinyl for these patterns or any patterns. Also interested in what you would like to learn. I can throw in some extras. So if you have something that you've been wanting to learn how to do with pattern vinyl, just let me know. Okay, now we are going to go on to the rest of the Christmas, and you want to learn outline. We will definitely cover that, and I will show you, Cheryl. It's not letting me. There we go. I will show you, Cheryl, how to do it for both adhesive vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. So We will learn that, and in Cricut Design Space. Layering heat transfer vinyl, yes, we will also do that, Mary. It's really pretty easy once you know what to do. I know everybody's a beginner at one point, so once you learn it though, it's a pretty simple thing to do. So I also, as much as I love boho colors, I love bright colors. So for my like retro Christmas style, this one's glaring. This is a geometric pattern and it's red and teal. And when I was doing this, I just keep thinking merry and bright, right? So I have a lot of stuff with that saying in my mind. And then these stripes match it. And for that, I did not do any projects with that in adhesive vinyl yet. That's one of them I have planned for live. But here you can see what it looks like together on a shirt. And then it has the black outline, which I just think is awesome. I love the way that turned out and it looks. And then this is the pattern we're going to next. How many people love teal? Is it your favorite color? My favorite color is actually purple, but I do love me some teal. So this teal is called marbled teal. So it has all kinds of fun designs in it. And it matches the teals in the Christmas also. So you can use it for every day, or you can get it to line up with these Christmas. Thanks so much, Cindy. At Expressions Vinyl, you can buy the sheets all individually, or you can buy them as a bunch. You can buy all the adhesive in a bundle, or you can buy all of the heat transfer in a vinyl and then add the single sheets for as many as you need. And then if you want to get the complementing colors, I highly recommend the cinnamon glitter. This is all I have left of it. I'm going to have to order more. I love that color. Okay, still going with the teal. And now we're getting into my favorites. And we'll still match Christmas is teal with cow print. Because everybody loves the animal prints, right? I had a lot of requests for animal prints and they've already been done. So I decided, I called this a mashup. My next one's a mashup too. And this matches all the teals from the Christmas as well. So I put my own spin on the cow print, which is one of my favorites, and teal, which is also one of my favorites. This would be great. I've done it in both letters. We're going to work on this live also, and as a backgrounds for a shirt. And last but not least, everybody that gave me suggestions, I thank you, but I was limited to 10, is my favorite mashup. Because what is Christmas without some buffalo plaid and leopard print? And these also coordinate well. I have a shirt I designed on the computer with the teals. So in my computer design, I paired actually this one with this one. And they go together surprisingly well on a shirt. But this one is my absolute favorite, combining the buffalo plaid and the leopard print, and then I had to do some more brushed dots. Those dots are brushed also for added texture. So these are all available in adhesive vinyl, like I said, and heat transfer vinyl for your shirts. Tote bags, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a tote bag in the lives, but I do have some wine bags because, you know, wine makes amazing Christmas gifts. So we're going to do some Christmas things, and there we go. You can find these all at expressionsvinyl.com. As I said before, once you go there, you'll see, I'll show you on my screen, it's at the very top, limited edition patterns. So you can click on that and it will take you to where you need to go. From there, you have the choice to go to heat transfer or adhesive, or you can buy the bundles on all of them. Yes, Cindy, you order on the web. So you'll want to go to expressionsvinyl.com. You are very welcome. Like I said, 2 weeks, they're available, so don't delay. Also, stay tuned. I haven't scheduled out. I have a good idea. I'm going to do it Tuesday and Friday this week. I had some family stuff come up, so I haven't nailed down and committed a time yet, but it will most likely be in the afternoon. And then, of course, all the replays are going to go up on YouTube. And if you're on my email list, I will let you know through email. We are going to do projects definitely layering vinyl and learning how to do the outlines in Design Space. If there's anything else you wanted to learn, let me know. And head to expressionsvinyl.com to grab these patterns while you can. And I will see you later this week. Thank you very much, and God bless.